Hello friends! Today I'll show you how to cook an amazing carrot dessert. Just stay with me. That's the way how I clean carrots. You don't have to peel it. Then shred it. I added 1.5 cups sugar and 1/3 cup water and half a tablespoon lemon juice. First, mix and cook on medium-high until it starts to thicken. Now see the thickness? At this point, add 8 cups shredded carrots. Mix and cook on medium first, then reduce the heat into low and cook for about 1 hour or 1 hour and 15 minutes on low. And every 7 minutes or so, just come and turn it from one side to another, cover it and continue to cook. At the very end, add 2 tablespoons potato starch dissolved in 1 tablespoon water. Cook for maybe 5 minutes and at the very end add 1 teaspoon cinnamon and 1 teaspoon cardamom and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat and add 1 cup chopped walnuts. First, I'll start with a very thin layer of shredded coconut. And I will decorate with some shredded coconut too. Now, tasting time. It's a sweet with the cinnamon and cardamom and the walnut. It is delicious, amazing. I wish you will try it. And don't forget to write a comment and let me know how did it go with you. And thank you for watching.